So my name is Katrin. I'm from Germany. I came here about 2 years ago to beautiful Mazunte and found the Hridaya Yoga Center as a student. Coming into Module 1 and doing a silent retreat, and 2 years later, somehow I'm still around. Practices have become a little bit shorter, but usually it does look like that for me, that I get up in the morning and I meditate. First for an hour, usually to one of the beautiful recordings from Sahajananda. I love to start my day with his guidance and his voice. And then, depending if it's like a practice day for me, like right now I'm not practicing Hatha Yoga every day, but if it's a practice day, then I will start Hatha Yoga practice immediately after. And I usually have some kind of, like every week or every few weeks, I will get in touch with myself to kind of feel what the being needs and what chakras to focus on, and like where I need to look at, and that accordingly I will navigate the asanas and the practices that I do accordingly. I try to do sublimation every day because I have a lot of fire, and that needs to be regularly purified. Sublimation is bringing the energies from the lower chakras, so say Muladhara chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, Manipura chakra, Anahata chakra, to the higher chakras like Vishuddha, Ajna, and Sahasrara and above. Well, there's no more above. But so it's trying to bring those energies up. My emotions are a lot more controlled. I used to be quite emotional and somewhat explosive, especially in partnerships and love relationships. And yes, through this sublimation practice especially, I can feel that there's more of a balance. Yeah, being with whatever arises in the moment. Like meditation for me formally means obviously sitting down to meditate and to take this moment or these hours for myself, and to go inward, to feel whatever is alive in my being, and to then just watch, be the observer of whatever sensations, whatever thoughts, whatever distractions are arising, and just to be with that and to watch that, and to see that they disappear, and that the thoughts and the sensations. So yes, yoga does the same for me as meditation, just in a different way, and it's really beautiful, especially if like the mind is very active and very busy. Sometimes it's just beautiful to do an asana or to do the sublimation practices to move the energy upward and beautifully prepares the body for meditation. Like, you're just learning to be more connected with yourself, and it's like this big transformation, this big journey you start on once you come here. If you do a retreat, if you do a module, if you do the TTC, there's different levels of depth you plunge into, but it's like this journey with yourself, and like this rediscovery of who you really are. So I was speaking earlier about like different asana practices for meditation, like Uddiyana Bandha and Nauli Kriya, and there's obviously a lot more that you can learn at Hridaya or learn at other yoga schools to practice bringing the energy up. But there are even more simple ways, I would say, to learn to navigate the energies in your body. And for one, it's important to remember that the energies are we control the energies in our body, and the energies are being controlled and directed through the level of Ajna chakra, the level of our third eye. And knowing this, and knowing that we can redirect the energies, and where we put our attention, the energy usually flows. We can do a little practice, for example, where we explore Hridaya meditation, and then see what's alive in the body, and then and try if we can maybe sublimate some of those energies. So for that, I would just invite you to find a comfortable meditative posture and see that your spine is straight and you respect the natural curvature, and the shoulders are up and back. And we could take a deep breath together. Inhale and exhale slowly. And again, we inhale deeply and we exhale slowly. Being in a comfortable and relaxed posture, and just going to open ourselves up and see what's alive in our being right now. Just going to see if there's any sensations in the physical body. Any sense of uncomfort or agitation. See what's going on at the level of the mind. It's the quality of our mind. Is it calm? Are we having many thoughts? And we just become aware of whatever is going on, and we simply let it be and observe without judging, without wanting to change anything. Bring our attention in the middle of the chest, just a little bit to the right. And feel this intimacy and this connection with ourself. Focusing our attention on the spiritual heart. Maybe we can feel how the energies of the body are now gathering in the level of the chest. Remembering where the attention goes, the energy flows. We simply rest. We rest in the heart. And we bring attention to the pauses after each inhalation and after each exhalation. And we feel how we can plunge deeper into that background of stillness and during these pauses. We remain connected in the heart, in the middle of the chest, and we can also bring our attention now to the top of the head, to the crown center, Sahasrara. We can begin to feel this shift of energies from the heart moving up to the crown. This can be really lightly and so it can be really subtle. Showing us the movement of energies in the body. We remain connected in the heart while we focus on the crown center at the same time. Feel that liveliness and vibrance in our being. Opening of the heart, a love, a feeling of transcendence and detachment at the same time. We experience all this, we can ask ourselves, who is experiencing these sensations? And as our mind creates answers to these questions, we ask ourselves, and who is this I? Who am I? keeping the connection with the heart and the opening to the crown center. And keeping this vibrant flow of energies in the body. And we can slowly open our eyes and come back.